Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to show you Lenovo Legion gaming laptop 15.1 inch screen. This is a specification. You can see Intel Ultra 9 processor, 15IAX10 and 32GB RAM, 2TB SSD, RTX 5070 graphic card. The full details and model number, price I'm going to mention in the description. Please check it out. And please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Have a look. This is only the brief look in this video of this laptop. The keyboard comes with the RGB backlight. You can adjust the light on keyboard, the colorful RGB. This is the frame on the top, webcam with built-in mic. It's a slim design, backlight keyboard. You can see the logo and power button. It's a full-size keyboard, comes with a numerical pad. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. This is the backside look. You can see Lenovo Legion logo. Ventilation system, HDMI port and power port. This is the backside look. It's a very good laptop for gaming. Ultra 9 processor, 32GB RAM and 2TB SSD, and comes with the RTX 5070 8GB NVIDIA graphic card, 15.1 inches WQXGA OLED screen. You can see the Ethernet port on side, Thunderbolt and USB port, power USB port. And let's see other side, headphone jack combo and USB, camera on off button and one more USB here. So these are the connectivities of this laptop. The full details I will give you in the description. This is a power adapter, 245 watts, USB type. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.